Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. I'm going to show you today is a Crepaco 40-gallon mixing tank, air-operated motor. Gardner Denver, almost 1 horsepower motor, maximum speed about 500 RPM, and it has a squirrel cage type agitation on there. Really unique, running really slow. The nice thing is completely vapor sealed, has a mechanical seal on the shaft, and you can see in all of the ports are sealable. It does have a cover for that 10-inch sanitary port. You can increase the speed just by turning the handle. Give you a quick look in there. It's some real strong agitation. We have lots of equipment like this in our stock, so we'll hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.